If you want to arrange all the apps alphabetically on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you two methods on how to do that. For the first method, just go to Settings, then tap on General. Under the General Settings, you will find the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then tap on Reset. And from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Home Screen Layout. Now, this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will just reset the home screen layout settings of your iPhone. As you can see, your home screen will be reset to the default iPhone layout, and the downloaded apps will appear alphabetically after the first home screen page. Now, just select Reset. And after you do that, your iPhone's home screen settings will be reset to the default settings. As you can see, after the default Apple apps, the downloaded apps has been arranged alphabetically. As you can see, the app name which starts with an A has been placed at the start, and the rest of the apps has been arranged alphabetically. Just like that. Now, this was the first method. Now for the second method, just swipe to the left side and open the app library. And if you tap on the search bar in the app library, you will find all the apps on your iPhone arranged alphabetically. As you can see, the app name which starts with an A has been placed at the start, and all the apps has been arranged alphabetically, just like that. Now there is also one extra method to arrange all the apps on your iPhone alphabetically, and that is by pressing and holding the empty space on your home screen. Now from here you can rearrange the apps by dragging them in this order. Now you can arrange all the apps alphabetically manually. But this method is not really convenient, because if you have lots of apps on your iPhone, so this method will not be convenient. And this is how you can arrange all the apps alphabetically on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.